I want to talk about Wabi Sabi, a Japanese interior design aesthetic that has helped me mentally and changed my outlook in 2020. 2020 has been a year that has turned my life upside down, like so many people around the world. I won't go into details, but there have been some wonderful highs, like leaving China, going to Indonesia, and even Singapore, to the current state where I am now. I'm now living with my parents in northern England as the winter slowly draws in, and I've been here for the last 3 months. Firstly, what is Wabi Sabi? Wabi Sabi is a Japanese interior design aesthetic. It was founded in Buddhism ideals, and it celebrates the beauty of imperfect, the impermanent, and the incomplete. I came across Wabi Sabi as I was researching into Japanese architecture and aesthetics through one of my blog posts quite a while back. Wabi Sabi nurtures all that is authentic by acknowledging 3 simple realities. Nothing lasts, nothing is finished, and nothing is perfect. It's strange to say that an interior design aesthetic has helped me process my own internal state, my mind. 2019 was a beautiful and professionally positive year. I was working with clients and projects that I liked. I was featured in magazines, which is now all on hold while I'm back living with my parents. Wabi Sabi has brought attention and allowed me to accept the humility of where I am, who I am, and what's happening around me. Please subscribe and follow as I share more about Wabi Sabi design and Wabi Sabi as a vibe. Thanks.